welcome to my YouTube. I'm going to be unboxing February's Witch Casket box. It's about $50 for US, and this is what it looks like when you open it. It has a little booklet that tells you the theme and the month, and everything's got descriptions of what you get in the box, and you always get a little print, and this is February's. And this is the 7 days of self-love and gratitude. It contains everything you need for a week of reflection. It's a little spell pack, and let's open it up and see what's in it. It has a pink candle and a witch casket pen, and it has a card that tells you what to do. I'll hold it up so you can see it. You can pause the video if you would like to try and read it. Might be a bit blurry, I'm sorry. And it has, it says date, today, 1 a.m., most grateful for, and it has several of them in little boxes. And then next is my favorite, the beanie. It says the craft. And then you get a tea every month. This is the Rose Kongu Emperor tea. I hope I pronounced that right. And then get a little wooden board. And this is a little box. It says love on it. And it has little incense cones. They smell very woodsy. And then you have your pins. One says love and one says peace. And this is from Safi Bay. I hope I said that right. Wild Rose Wax Melts. The incense is overpowering the smell of the wax melts, so I'll have to check those later. And then you get this little box. It says love spell on it. And inside, there's a little card. It says self-love bottle kit. And on the back, it tells you what to do with the kit. And it has a glass bottle, little pink candle. It has, I think this is amethyst, or is this rose quartz? I mean, not amethyst, my bad, I'm sorry. It's rose quartz. And then it has rose petals. Okay, and then also every month you get a crystal. This is amethyst. And they give you a little card, and it tells you about the stone on the back of every card. And this little bag it comes in, and this is the amethyst for this month. Okay, and we also got another little bag, and it says rose quartz pendant and or pendulum. And then it tells tells you something about it on the back. And this is what it looks like. It's pretty. Okay. And then each month you also get a little scroll. Let's try to open this without ripping it. And this says 6 simple love spells. And you can see a list of all the love spells. I will leave it for a second so that if you would like to pause it and read it later, you can. And that was everything in the February Switch Casket. I will show you everything again. Here's the beanie and the wax melts. And here's your amethyst and your pendulum and your buttons, your incense sticks, and your spell, your board, and your print and your booklet, and your tea. If there's anything that you have a question about, leave it in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have.